Hello guys, welcome to the second edition of Facebook page monetization course. In this course, I'm not going to go through using browser. This one is easier and more convenient. Yeah, even though the browser has more advanced feature, but at least for this kind of uh, monetization, you don't need advanced feature much. All you need is just for you to know how to set up your page like ad, video view, traffic, and conversion. So what you need to do is go to your Play Store and download this Meta app. Meta app. This is it. Let me circle it. Meta app. Download it from Play Store. Install it if you are using Android. Then Apple Store if you are using this thing. So now in this case, there are some campaigns. Yes, these are the previous campaign, but all these ones were set up with laptop except this one. So now, I don't need to teach you guys how to, because I think I've made a video on how to set up your this thing, your payment method is still the same thing. Even though this one is more convenient, I can't use this one because this one is already existing. For me to even be able to set it up for you guys, I will need to look for a virgin Facebook account. So without wasting much of your time, I need to start teaching you guys what to do. So for you to set up any campaign objective, you see this icon now, you click on it. You have different campaign objective, post engagement, video views, website traffic, reach, website conversions, messages, and page like. So, but in this course, I'm going to focus on page likes, website traffic, video views, and page engagement. So without wasting much of your time, let me get started with page like ad. So now it will ask you what format you want. You see this here. What format do you want? Click on it. I will advise you to go for single video. Now if you have your video, you can get your video from your, this one is from this page, this one is from my phone, this one is from the ad stuff, the ad I've run for her. So let me just use one video. Which video should I use now? Okay, let me use this one now. Then after you have done that, click on this. Click on this. This will lead you to your next button. Click on it, then wait for it to load. Uploading your video thumbnail, blah blah blah. So you should wait for it to load. So we're waiting for it to load. So now this is where you put your primary text. I will just have to use simple stuff, yeah, like and the follow this page for more content. Then you can click on this thumbnail. This thumbnail means the image you want to show. So either you get the thumbnail from these images here, or you go down, you see page images or camera roll. Camera roll is for my phone, or add images. So but in this case, I'm going to go with video thumbnail. And I'll just choose any thumbnail, random thumbnail. After that, you see this mark up, you click on it. Okay, now then for placement, you don't need to touch this placement, leave it like that. You don't need to touch this placement anyway, because there's not much placement on video view ad. So this is how it's going to look like. This is how it's going to look like. Very simple thing. So you still click on this icon. Then this is where you have to define your audience. So now create a new audience. Okay, I want to go and create a new audience. It will go down to 13, bring it up to 18, or you can go to 25 or thereabout. The age bracket is still the same. Then in this location, okay, let's say I want to target, okay, most of my campaigns I do normally target Africa. You put capital letter in the A so that it will show up, because if you don't put capital letter, it will not show up this African region. Click on it, still come back again, click on country, click on edit, remove Nigeria, click on this country. Unless you want to target only Nigeria, you will not remove Nigeria, you will not add Africa. But if you want to target the whole of Africa, remove Nigeria, click on this delete icon, then click here. Then detail targeting, don't need much detail targeting, so we will overlook that one. Let's see if it has. Okay, let's go for advanced. Okay, language, because we are targeting African countries. Some countries may not really speak English, so we need to use only English. I don't know which one will be better. Okay, both, I will use both, English UK, English US. Click on like. So now what I'm doing is, I'm going back. What I'm doing is I'm making sure that the only people who are going to see my content are English speaking people in Africa, because my content are on English. So the same thing with yours and everybody. So now, as you can see, this is where to check the audience size. The audience size is from 120 million to 150 million. After you must have done, you click on this sign, you click on it, the page is done. So now we are good to go. So after that, you click on next, then come here and put your daily budget. It can be 500, it can be 1000, it can be 10,000. So let me just end it at 1000, but then don't let it be, I don't let it be less than 500. And I like it daily ad. Then leave it at run ad continuously and start now. Then let's wait for the delivery. Or you have to, okay, why, what is happening? But let me continue, sure. So click on this icon. Let's wait for it to, the thumbnail to show and everything, the ad preview. So this is how this ad is going to be. Let me see if it can play. It's playing. I don't know why the video is not really. Okay, it's playing. So now this is the whole setup. Your payment method, where it is showing your daily budget, your audience, your schedule, and everything. So let me go back again. Let me see what is actually the problem. But we are done. Oh. All I need is just to place order, Shikana, and we are good to go. Place order, and we are good to go. So once these things are all set up, all you need is just place order and wait for it to place. This account error you are seeing here, just in case if you see it in your own, is because there's no money in this account. Once there's no money, it is called. So they will ask you, do you want to duplicate? Click on no. So let's wait for it. So now this is page like ad. Facebook page like campaign that I've set up using my mobile app. So like I've done this one yesterday, I can easily just click here, delete or edit. This one is very simple. So now all I need to just, okay, fine, let me refresh. All I need is just, let me click on here. Okay, edit, sorry. So all I need is just wait for them to approve the ad and to start running. Very simple. It will start running. So in my next video, I'm going to do video view.